Hello my friend, this time I will show you how to assemble the IKEA SMÅSTAD bench. With article number 804-33542, it is very easy to assemble without the help of others. After watching this video you will definitely be able to do it too. Together with the IKEA children's chair, this bench becomes a perfect desk for smaller children, which with a few pillows can quickly transform into a comfortable bench when it's time for a cozy story. It stands firmly in place on uneven floors, thanks to the included adjustable feet. You can transform the bench into an extra storage space by simply adding a storage box underneath, sold separately. To save on our natural resources, IKEA has used some mill leftovers and scrapped wood in the particle boards for SMÅSTAD. Have a nice watching, and if you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below this video. I will try to answer you.